Hello, and welcome to another unboxing. I'm your white mage, and today we'll be opening up a box of Opus 5. Alright, let's see. We'll jump right in. Alright, so of course we're trying to hit a foil wool. Lots of money cards in Opus 5. See if we can get any of them. Ooh, foil Minophilia. And a Porum. Starting off pretty good. Foil Lupiswa. And Luneth. This might be a Scion box. Foil Ash. And an Odin. Foil Kais and a Barnabas. Mew and Lightning. I always found it really odd that Final Fantasy had the cover cards be a hero instead of a legend. Usually in other card games you see the cover card being the highest rarity. Mystic Knight and an Elmark. Black Mage and a Yang. Zaid and a Bismarck. Red Mage and a Wool. I never learned how to pronounce this guy's name. I think it's Ryad and a Refia. Ooh, foil Diabolos and an Ozma. Foil Diabolos does look real good. Foil Lightning and an Ingus. Starter Vaughn. And a Lusso. Foil Aria and a Thancred. Ranger and a K-Tuna. Oh, foil Phoenix. This one, the Mobius summons look all really good in foil. Twilight Odin and a Calbrena. A foiled Eldnark, a 3 legend box, and an Alua. Leviathan and an Arc. Master Monk and a Glacia. Shame pulling these after they got reprinted. Lanista and a Cam. Again, full art Cam just looks so much nicer than the regular pack ones. Corilla and a Twilight Odin. Manasvin, Warmack, and a Lugay. Lugai? Another name I never learned how to pronounce. Ravager and a Tella. Oh, foil Thaumaturge. Great card if it wasn't banned. Maybe one day it'll come back. Foil Vein and an Orphan. Calbrena, and a Ramza. Barnabas and a Sida Polendina. Scholar and a Star Sizzle. A foil Bismarck and a Death Gaze. The misprint Death Gaze, which is also kind of interesting. Got, ooh, foil Cid of Clan Gully. Looks very nice. And a Phoenix. One more and I'll have a full playset. A Yule. And a Wool. There's the money card we're chasing. Clady and a Cecil. Alright, this is shaping up to be a pretty good box. A Lipro and an Edward. Foil Goomba and a Royal Ripeness. Alright, final pack. Let's see what we got. Foil, ooh, foil and non-foil Graviton. And a Vermilion Bird. Let's see. Alright guys, let's see. Alright, so we got a 10 legend box. Porum, Eldnark, 2 Eldnarks. Orphan, Ramza, 2 Phoenix. A Wool, Cecil, and a full Diabolos. Overall, it's looking like a pretty good box. Alright. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys next time.